Hi, I am Jiten Kumar, and in this presentation I am going to be talking about the new IGA enhancement in Primer 18. Isogeometric analysis or IGA is an alternative to standard FEA. It lets you create an Elastina model directly from CAD without the need for meshing. In the IGA, there is concept of both control mesh and physical mesh. A control mesh is made by the control points. The physical mesh lays directly on the geometry and it consists of patches and not spans. In version 18, there are new capabilities which lets you visualize the nurse patch and sketch trimming curves. We have also added option to insert new knot and change the basis function degree. Primer already supports all the core keywords associated with IGA and can visualize trims IGA surface data. Display NURBS element. After reading a valid IGA model, go to Element Cells NURB Patch Edit panel. In the Edit panel, enable Display Knot toggle button to view NURBS element or knot segments. Insert a knot value. There are two basic techniques in IGA which permit to enlarge the space of basis functions without changing the geometry. The first one is known as knot insertion or H refinement. The second one is called degree elevation or P refinement. Here we will be covering knot insertion, which implies an increment in both the number of basis function and control points. In the next slide, we will be covering degree elevation. There are two ways to add a knot value. In the first method, type a knot value in the text box. A blob will be drawn in the blue color to show the location of new knot. After visually confirming the new knot, press Insert button to add a knot. In the second method, enable Screen Pick Knot toggle button, which will allow you to pick a knot value from the screen by clicking on the blue line. Use left mouse click to pick a knot and the selected knot value gets updated in the Edit panel. Once you are happy with the selection, press Insert Knot Value. You can use right mouse click to select and insert a knot value in one go without pressing the Insert button. When you are using right click to insert a knot value, please make sure to put the cursor over the blue colors, otherwise you will get a warning nothing close enough. Change the basis function degree. Changing the basis function degree will result in control points being added or removed. The control nodes are shown in blue color. The degree can be updated by typing in the new value in PR and PS text boxes. To change the degree PR from 3 to 4, type 4 in the text box and hit update. Similarly, to update degree PS, enter 4 in the text box and update. Sketch trimming curves. To view all the trimming curves, press Sketch All Loops button. If you want to view current trimming curve, press Sketch Loop button. The trimming curve gets updated when you navigate using previous and next button. In order to view curve labels, press Show Curve Labels. Other IGA related enhancements. We have added various IGA specific keyword checks, improved the mask calculation relating to IGA model. Now various new IGA keywords are supported. In summary, the new IGA enhancement in Primer 18 make it easier to manipulate NURB elements, change the basis function order, visualize streaming curves and NURB elements. We will continue to add new IGA enhancements in the future. Thank you for attention and look forward to hearing your feedback.